Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can pin your post on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to pin your post on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And here on your profile, you will now be able to see all your posts on Instagram, so I want you to find the one that you want to pin. So let's say that this is the post that you want to pin, for example, so to do that, just tap it. And after tapping it, you will be able to see this 3 dots icon, so just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see the pin to profile option right here, so just tap it to completely pin the post to your profile. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now pinned the post to your profile on Instagram. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.